Bonjour tout le monde et bienvenue sur IFC, Irvin's French Class. Today in this video we are going to learn how to talk about what we like to do in our free time. So today I'm offering you a mixture of grammar with verbs like jouer, to play, or faire, to do, and vocab of hobbies or musical instruments. After reviewing the expressions to talk about what we like to do, we will do together some fun activities to revise and practice. C'est parti! To name an activity in French, we often use the infinitive. For example, when you can repeat the question and the answer after me, let's do it. Qu'est-ce que tu aimes faire? J'aime jouer au foot. The infinitive is the base form of the verb that you can find listed in dictionaries. In English, infinitives begin with to, like for instance, to play, to do, to be, to have, and so on. In French, infinitives are characterized by their endings. So there are several endings. The first one is er. And by the way, I have made a video on the er verbs that you can check out. And the link is right here. Another ending, the er ending, oir, and the last one is the re ending. Some examples for you. There are verbs that we have covered already, and some that we are going to do very soon, don't worry. So pour les verbes en er, jouer, aimer, aller, regarder, manger, parler, les verbes en ir, finir, venir, sortir, dormir, en oir, avoir, we've done that one, voir, savoir, les verbes en re, être, of course, faire, we also did that one, prendre, lire, and so on. So in French, whenever there are two or more verbs together, like in the example that I gave you before, right? Qu'est-ce que tu aimes faire? J'aime jouer au foot. The first verb in green is conjugated, but the verbs that directly follow here in red are in the infinitive and are translated as to and the verb in English. So if we check out the translations for this question and answer, so it will be in English. What do you like to do? I like to play soccer. Use jouer à la, jouer au with an X to talk about playing sports, video, or board games. So the choice of the preposition will depend on the gender and number of the activity. So for example, aujourd'hui, je joue au basketball. Basketball, c'est masculin. So that's why we use O. And I remind you that O is the contraction between A and le. Second example, à l'école, elle joue souvent aux échecs. Échec is chess. So it's plural in French, aux échecs. That's why you need to add this X at O. Next example, est-ce que tu aimes jouer aux jeux vidéo? So jeux vidéo, just like in English, video games, it's plural. Last example, il joue à la play. So if we stay with video games, here play is the short name that we use in French for PlayStation. Okay? Il joue à la play, and that's feminine. Many other sports and activity use faire du, faire de la, faire de and L apostrophe with a vowel, faire des. And again, the choice of the preposition depends on the gender and number of the activity that follows. So for example, nous faisons du vélo. Vélo is masculine. Est-ce que vous aimez faire de l'exercice? You see, exercice, to exercise, commence par une voyelle. It starts with a vowel. So that's why you need to use de and L apostrophe. Next example, je fais de la danse. Danse is feminine. Elle fait des études. Yeah, it can be considered as an activity, right? So études, it's plural, studies, right? So that's why we need to use des in French. Elle fait des études. use jouer du, jouer de la, jouer de and L apostrophe, jouer des to talk about playing most musical instruments. For example, j'aime jouer du piano. Piano is masculine. Tu joues de la guitare. Guitar is feminine. Est-ce qu'elle aime jouer de l'orgue? It's a bit strange, but it's one of the few that starts with a vowel actually. Elle joue des castagnettes. So castagnette is plural, alright? So that's why we need to use des here. Elle joue des castagnettes. In negations, all the prepositions listed above will turn into de or des apostrophe at the exception of one. We are going to cover it in a moment. But first, if I ask you the question, tu joues de la guitare? And you reply negatively, non, je ne joue pas de guitare. Okay, you use de because it's in a negative sentence. Similarly, elle fait du vélo le week-end? Non, elle ne fait pas de vélo. Yes. So be careful because O does not change and that's the only one. Okay, just O. For example, est-ce que vous jouez au football ce soir? Non, nous ne jouons pas au football ce soir. Now let's do an activity to revise and practice. Let's do some translations from English to French. And I remind you of the question, comment on dit en français? So let's start. Comment on dit en français? I like to play tennis. I like. J'aime. That's right. I like to play. To play was jouer, one of the ER verbs, okay? J'aime jouer tennis. So what preposition are you going to use for that? J'aime jouer au tennis, okay? Tennis, like most sports, is masculine. J'aime jouer au tennis. Next one. Comment on dit en français? On the weekend, she plays piano. So musical instrument, what preposition? Let's start with on the weekend, first difficulty. Don't go like the common mistake with the common mistake that English speaker would do. Sur le weekend, no, le weekend, that's it. You don't need on in French. Le weekend, she plays. So jouer, ER verb, the conjugation. Once again, I send you back to the video that I've made. Elle joue. And what about the preposition for musical instrument? Elle joue du piano. Très bien. Piano is masculine, so you gotta use du. Le weekend, elle joue du piano. Next, on Wednesday evening, we bike. So, on Wednesday evening, we bike. The first bit, le mercredi for Wednesday, le mercredi soir, très bien, le mercredi soir. We bike is very synthetic in English. In French, it's not like that. There's no verb to bike, right? You got to go through the faire expression, right, for activities. Nous faisons, that's right. Remember, so with the verb faire, faisons is a little bit weird, right? Nous faisons bike, nous faisons du vélo. Perfect, guys. C'est tout pour cette vidéo. I hope that you are now more confident to talk about what you like to do in French during your free time. So jump in the comment section to share in French what you like to do. And please like and subscribe to support my channel and help me continue. À la prochaine. À plus. Au revoir. Ciao.